Welcome to Strategic Management, MAN 4723, the capstone course for the Bachelor of Applied Science degree in Supervision and Management. This course examines strategic management from three different perspectives. 1. Analyzing an existing strategy. 2. Formulating a new strategy based on changes internally and externally in the market. And 3, implementing that new strategy. An academic business portfolio that showcases your academic excellence and professional experience used to submit to graduate school and or a prospective employer will be developed. This course also provides a capstone research experience by examining and finding alternative solutions for an existing business issue of a publicly traded company. With the use of concepts and knowledge gained in the prior courses taken in the degree program and this course. The course will also include a semester-long business simulation with teams leading a global business enterprise as a co-manager of the leadership team, making over 50 business decisions in all functions on a weekly basis. An ETS major field exam is required to pass this course. The ETS exam must be attended at the FSW Lee campus. See Canvas for date, time, and room location. There is no grade associated with the ETS exam. However, anyone scoring 80% or better will receive a letter of recommendation from me on this significant achievement. Feel free to view the requirements for the academic business portfolio and the capstone research project early in the course to prepare you in advance. The team strategic simulation through Globus will start the second day of this course. Teams will include 3 to 4 members. Many of you know each other from previous FSW courses, so feel free to reach out to your peers about forming teams. I will select any additional teams. This is a fully online course, and each week is represented by a different module. The best way to navigate this course is to go to the module selection in Canvas for the weekly assignments, due dates, and other course materials required to complete each separate weekly module. There are also modules with general information, such as the course overview, instructor information, and course resources. Warning: skipping the module section and only viewing the grades page may result in missed information. No late work will be accepted. Therefore, exercise good time management. If you need to discuss any concerns you have about this course and its assignments, please feel free to email me through Canvas. You may also contact me by telephone. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you in the course.